In India, motor vehicle accident cases involve both criminal and civil aspects under the Indian Penal Code (IPC) and the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 (MV Act). When an accident occurs due to rash and negligent driving, it is punishable under Section 281 BNS, which prescribes imprisonment up to 6 months or a fine. If the accident results in injuries, Section 125 Clause A of BNS, causing hurt by an act endangering life, is applicable, with a punishment of up to 6 months or a fine. If the injuries are grievous, Section 125 Clause B of BNS applies, leading to imprisonment up to 2 years or a fine. In case of death due to negligent driving, Section 106 BNS, causing death by negligence, is invoked, which carries a punishment of up to 2 years of imprisonment or a fine. Drunken driving is specifically dealt with under Section 185 MV Act, where driving under the influence of alcohol beyond the permissible limit can lead to imprisonment up to 6 months and a fine of 10,000 rupees for the first offence and up to 2 years imprisonment and 15,000 rupee fine for subsequent offences. Rash and dangerous driving falls under Section 184 MV Act, carrying a punishment of imprisonment up to 1 year and a fine of 5,000 rupees for the first offence. From a civil perspective, victims or their legal heirs can claim compensation under the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal (MACT). Under Section 140 MV Act, victims are entitled to no-fault liability compensation, meaning compensation is granted without proving negligence, 50,000 rupees for injury and 2 lakhs rupees for death. However, for larger claims under Section 166 MV Act, the claimant must establish that the accident occurred due to the driver's negligence. Compensation is calculated based on medical expenses, loss of income, disability, and dependency in case of death. If the vehicle is insured, third-party claims can be made against the insurance company under the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, and the owner-driver must report the accident to the insurance company immediately. If both parties agree, the case can be settled out of court or through Lok Adalat, alternative dispute resolution. If a claim is denied or unfair, the affected party can appeal in higher courts. In criminal cases, the accused must attend court proceedings, and if found guilty, they may face fines, imprisonment, or license suspension. Thus, handling motor vehicle accident cases involves police reporting, legal proceedings, insurance claims, and possible settlements, ensuring justice and compensation for the victims.